Hey tractor chasers, we are out in the field with a dairy farm working on chopping corn silage. We're going to watch their John Deere 9900 forage harvester chopping corn. We'll see all the trucks hauling silage, and then we're going to head back to the silage pit and watch the 9RX 710 tractor packing silage. The 9RX 710 is one of John Deere's biggest tractors, and they've added 15,000 pounds of weight to it to make it the ultimate silage packing tractor. We're even going to get up in the cab with Greg to find out how they like packing with one of John Deere's biggest tractors. But for now, let's head out to the field and watch this John Deere 9900 forage harvester in action. Alright guys, I am up in the cab of the 9RX 710 with Greg, and we're packing some corn silage. So, how's it going so far, Greg?
It's going well. The weather's been good. The corn isn't quite what we were hoping for this year, but with the wet spring conditions and drought after that, the yields are down, but overall it's better than we thought it would be, so no complaints.
Yeah. How do you like packing with the 710? This is awesome.
Good. It's been pretty impressive so far. A few little hiccups along the way that we're working through, but it's a lot heavier, a lot more powerful than the other track machines that we've used the pack with. So it's efficiency-wise, it's just a lot better. The bunk densities are a lot higher. Fuel consumption is down, and yeah, it's just kind of fun to use this thing.
Yeah. And we always get a lot of comments about using tracks to pack silage. So explain kind of the theory of using tracks instead of tires.
It's pretty simple. You don't see any bulldozers with tires, do you? So when you're into heavy pushing, you can't beat tracks. And this weighs a little over 100,000 pounds. So it's got the ground pressure. So silage is different than when you're out in the field. Silage, it's just, you want slow speed and a lot of weight, and it'll push the oxygen out of the silage. In the fields, we still get low compaction versus a machine on tires. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. And when it comes to pushing, you just cannot beat tracks.
Yeah. And you guys are running the expandable Grouser blade on that. How do you like that feature?
Love it. This is our third one. It's an extremely well-built blade, and we're able to match the width to the conditions. If we have heavy corn and we're pushing it uphill, we can narrow it up. It helps keep the weight or the load right in the center, so you're not putting any stress on the tractor like a fixed blade, and you can't push the whole load, so you have to put it all on one side, and that just puts a lot of stress on the blade and the tractor. So that with this one, it completely eliminates that issue.
And do you like the extra horsepower of the 710 for pushing? Or?
Yeah, you could probably get away with just a little bit less, but when we're pushing uphill, it actually works the tractor. So it's pretty much matched pretty well.
Yeah.
Currently, right now, we're pushing downhill, so we're running 1,230 RPMs, pushing 30 ton, and you can't even tell when you're pushing.
Yeah. Yeah, you hardly hear the engine work at all.
Yeah.
And I like your guys' strategy of pushing the silage downhill. That's got to save a lot of fuel with, working with gravity. And
Yeah. It allows the pushing tractor to actually spend more time packing. A lot of operations, when they're pushing everything uphill, the tractor is only just pushing. Doesn't spend any time packing. And by pushing it downhill, it allows us to actually pack a lot more.
Yeah, and we just pushed into almost a full semi-load there, and you're at 1,250 RPMs right now. So it's just impressive.
We're using 35% of the machine load.
Oh, yeah.
So the power graph, just for reference, when you put it under load, that'll go up. It'll be green.
Yeah. So it's not even showing hardly anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the main thing for this tractor is the weight.
Yeah.
Weighs, when it shipping weight is 18,000 pounds more than the 640, plus we put additional weights on it. So it's just a heavy machine to squeeze all the oxygen out of the silage for proper fermentation.
Yeah, and people will say this is an expensive tractor to pack with, but if you're doing a better job and getting less spoilage, that's got to...
Replaces 2 tractors.
Yeah.
well, and one more additional one, and another person.
Well, this is cool. I appreciate you letting me ride along, and this is just such an impressive tractor to see. So,
Glad you could ride along.
yeah. I hope you love being out in the field with this dairy farm working on chopping corn silage. If you love seeing tractors like this in action, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.